Ripple will win the lawsuit soon. What does that mean for the price of the coin? Will this revolutionize the entire crypto world? Watch till the end to know the answers to all these questions. But first, we are giving away 25 XRP coins at the end of the month to one random subscriber to continue on their XRP journey. All you need to do is to like the video, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on XRP in the comment section. Welcome, XRP Army. Let's grow the XRP Lab community by pressing the like button and subscribe. When the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filed its bombshell lawsuit against cryptocurrency innovator Ripple Labs in December 2020, but it didn't expect blowback. But while in the pre-trial phase, Ripple's legal team has put the SEC itself on trial after years of fighting and confusing guidance on the rules for cryptocurrencies. No one anticipated the tsunami of legal, political and social media action from retail cryptocurrency investors, outraged by the betrayal from an agency aiming to protect their interests. The fall of the SEC's credibility with this $2 trillion global investor community indicated a costly SEC miscalculation. Of course, official Washington has been back-footed by the size, scale and diversity of the crypto investor class and the entire industry that they support. Criticized by mainstream media and the U.S. government for years, the crypto community has built a media ecosystem that connects millions of investors, consumers, developers and entrepreneurs around the globe. It's fitting that the experts of the blockchain economy would use consensus protocols to their communication. This decentralized social media tool has proven powerful. When the Ripple lawsuit was filed, that ecosystem startled an independent battlefront unexpected by the SEC. The conflict against the SEC is not particularly pro-Ripple but a fight back against regulation by enforcement and deliberate market confusion that has exasperated investors and driven developers overseas. The main points of the SEC's lawsuit indicate why the case was the last straw for crypto enthusiasts. The agency asserts not only that Ripple's distribution of the cryptocurrency XRP has been one long unregistered securities trade since 2013, but that the digital asset itself, a token that operates on a fully decentralized ledger, is security with no utility other than as an investment contract in a single company. Further, the agency insists that every market participant on Earth should have known that XRP has been a security for the last 8 years, even though the agency admits it wasn't clear on its status until the day it filed the lawsuit. The founder of Crypto-Law.us, lawyer and XRP proponent John Deaton believes Ripple will win based on its current defense. With XRP's biggest public holder under investigation by the SEC, institutional investors have not made huge moves in altcoins since December 2020. However, it is compelling to note that the count of active XRP wallet addresses has increased by over 200% in the past 3 months. Retail traders are adopting XRP despite recent delisting across several spot exchanges, which is bullish for XRP price in the long term. The SEC lawsuit and case hasn't been solved yet, and if, before, it had a great impact on the XRP price, now, the situation is so obvious. At the end of 2020, the XRP price dropped to a local minimum of 17 cents while the SEC case gained momentum. At the starting of April 2021, the XRP value renewed its 3-year high at $1.11 while the court permitted the company to review the internal documents of the SEC on May 4. Ripple price fell as the SEC threatened XRP holders with legal action. The commission opposes investors joining the XRP securities recognition case. Yet, the fall didn't continue for long, as the company appointed a former U.S. Treasurer to its board. With that being said, it is clear that prices are volatile in the market, and a valuable method for traders would be looking into estimations. Let us look at the price prediction of XRP for the year 2021. Trading Beasts anticipates the average XRP price to stay between 82 cents minus 0.85 range. The website indicates an uptrend, which is a good sign for traders. Still, the rise will be constrained. The maximum price will hit $1.067 in December 2021. The minimum price won't fall lower than $0.7039. The website significantly reviewed the XRP outlook. Previously, the maximum value was estimated to move above $2.20. According to wallet investors, the average value of the XRP will move below $1 until December, when the rate will hit $1.075. Yet the website doesn't indicate a strong uptrend. The average price stays at reasonable levels. The highest price will then break above $1 in September. The minimum value won't drop below 30 cents. Yet, the difference between the low and high price signals increased volatility. The Ripple estimation of crypto ground can't be titled promising. Still, the upward momentum will continue, and by 2022, the price will reach $1.008. The website CoinPrice Forecast also indicates an uptrend for the XRP-USD pair. As per CoinPrice Forecast, the price may hit 83 cents by the end of the year. The forecast was just recently reviewed, and the platform expected XRP to skyrocket to $5. Ripple price estimation for 2022 by crypto experts looks good too. Things aren't less challenging for Ripple now, and the price will keep jumping until the SEC case is solved. Let's see what expert crypto sources say about the Ripple prices in 2022. Trading Beasts doesn't have a rosy prediction for the XRP pricing in 2022. The average price, according to them, won't be able to go above $1. Beginning the year at 0.86, the average estimated value will move to 72 cents by December. As for Wallet Investor, the Ripple price estimation is less pessimistic. The platform indicates that the price will stay above $1 most of the year. Towards the end of the year, the price will be $1.459. The maximum price won't go above $2. CryptoGround disagrees with any pessimistic forecasts. The source shows a bullish trend in 2022. The price will be able to go to $1.22. The year 2023 might mark a benchmark year for XRP. Trading Beasts indicates an uptrend for the XRP price in 2023 when compared to the prices of 2022. During the year, the average exchange rate of the XRP-USD will go from $0.7358 to $0.8343. The maximum price will go beyond a $1 threshold. The Wallet Investor website isn't so pessimistic about the XRP future. The average price is estimated to stay above $1 during the whole year. Starting the year at $1.477, the price will hit $1.847 by the last day of 2023. The maximum price will move above the $2 level in November 2023. CryptoGround is still the most optimistic regarding the XRP price. Even after a slight correction at the beginning of the year, the cryptocurrency is anticipated to reach $1.8091 by 2024. As per the Changelly platform, XRP price has a strong correlation with the entire cryptocurrency market. It means that if Bitcoin or altcoins grow, then Ripple is likely to hit the previous all-time high point of $3.84. This is a very optimistic scenario. If the SEC wins the lawsuit, the XRP price may fall down to a couple of cents. But we all know that Ripple is going to win. The long-term prediction for XRP is highly promising, and this is why you should hold on to XRP. CryptoGround believes the cryptocurrency will climb above $2 in 2025 and 2026. The primary trend is bullish. In 2026, the price of XRP may stay at $2.54. The Wallet Investor website is optimistic about XRP in 2025. The average price will stay above $2 during the year. There is a chance it will surge to $2.60 at the end of December 2025. As for the first 6 months of 2026, the price will fluctuate near $2.50. The maximum cost will break above the $3 threshold at the beginning of 2025. Coin price forecast projections look realistic. The XRP is expected to rise from $1.95 at the beginning of 2025 to $2.48 in 2030. Do you invest in XRP? Let us know in the comment section below. If you want to continue knowing about XRP, we have 2 more videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the following video. Before heading out, kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. You should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.